Griff, fantastic performance, thoroughly deserved the 3 points.
I thought we did, yeah. I thought we started really well. First 20 minutes I thought it was all us, and then the second quarter of the game they came back into it and it was a bit more even. Obviously we got the goals, 2 great finishes, and then it was a case of seeing it out then, especially when we went down to 10.
Fish, disappointing afternoon today. Do you feel Penybont deserved the 3 points?
To be fair, I don't think there was an awful lot in the game, to be honest, but you know, if it was on points, they probably just edged ahead of us on points, really. You know, I think in play there wasn't an awful lot of chances in the game, and they had a better spell for 20 minutes in the second half and got both goals.
Rhys, fantastic 3 points and a great team performance today.
Yeah, buzzing. Good 3 points to start the season off with. I'm glad to get 2 goals.
Look, if we finish above Bala, we'll be in Europe. And if we finish above TNS, we'll be champions. You know, they are one of the teams that we aspire to be like. It's 3 points, 1 game, and there's a long, long way to go. So we're happy with the start we've had.